Welcome back to SPON Academy. Today, we will be diving into the SIP-Link series paging microphone GEN-9102N. First, let's take a look at the hardware introduction of the IP paging microphone. The microphone is equipped with a 4.3-inch IPS screen. On the right side of the screen is the shortcut key area, featuring 8 physical editable keys. When used with the page-turning keys, it can provide up to 40 customizable function keys. It has a numeric keypad, which is used for SIP calling to a designated terminal. On the right side is a red SOS key, which can be used to broadcast messages to the highest priority multicast address. The information key allows you to view the device's current network configuration. The file key can view and listen to the audio files stored in the microphone. The record key records audio and saves the recording in the device's media library for pre-recorded broadcast. There is also a volume control keys located below for volume adjustment. Under the volume keys, there is a reserved key, which currently has no specific function. The intercom key on the left side can initiate a SIP call with a designated terminal. The broadcast key initiates a broadcast to the target multicast address. Between the intercom and broadcast keys, there is a cancel key to end an operation. On the back of the device, you will find the following interfaces: a detachable microphone pole. A 3.5mm line input interface connects an external audio source to play external audio. A 3.5mm line output interface connects active speakers or amplifiers to achieve local sound amplification. The standard RJ45 network port supports PO or non-PO switch connections. A set of card slot alarm input interfaces for receiving third-party alarm signals, which can trigger broadcasting or intercom linkage. A reset button for restoring the device to its factory settings. The power input interface connects to an external adapter. However, a power adapter is unnecessary when the microphone is connected to a PO switch. In this section, let's explore the key functions of the IP paging microphone. Deploy PO switches in local network. The microphone and PO speakers are connected to the PO switch via Ethernet cables. Enable the multicast function on both the microphone and the speaker's web pages, and the corresponding multicast address is correctly configured. When the pre-configured shortcut key is pressed, the user can initiate real-time paging announcement to the specified multicast address. The corresponding PO speakers will receive the network audio data, decode it, and amplify it locally. Deploy PO switches in local network. The microphone and PO speakers are connected to the PO switch via Ethernet cables. The multicast function is enabled on both the microphone and the speaker's web pages, and the corresponding multicast address is correctly configured. When the pre-configured shortcut key is pressed, the audio file data will be sent through the multicast address to the PO speaker for local playback. Deploy the SIP server locally. The microphone and third-party SIP phones or SPON intercom devices are connected to a SIP server. When the pre-configured shortcut key is pressed, the microphone will initiate an online SIP call to the target terminal. Deploy PO switches in local network. The microphone and PO speakers are connected to the PO switch via Ethernet cables. Preset the call target terminal on the P2P list of paging microphone. When the pre-configured shortcut key is pressed, the microphone will initiate an offline P2P call to the target terminal. Deploy PO switches in local network. The microphone and PO speakers are connected to the PO switch via Ethernet cables. Preset the pattern in the PO speaker, and write the corresponding HTTP URL link on the paging microphone. When the pre-configured shortcut key is pressed, the microphone will send an HTTP command to the PO speaker to trigger the file playback in the corresponding pattern. In this video, we have learned details of GEN-9102 and IP paging microphone, including hardware introduction and function introduction. That's all for today's lesson. For more information, please visit our website www.sponcom.com. Thank you for watching.